So I started volunteering at Olio 1 year ago. At that time, I just think maybe I can try to do this because I wasn't sure if it's the suitable thing for me. And that was the first time I realized how serious the food waste issue is in the UK. My job basically is just collecting the surplus food from the shop, usually Tesco or Boots, and share them via the Olio app so people living around will request and collect the food from me if they think they need it. During this process, I also meet many lovely people. Some of them are the people who collect the food from me, and I can see how grateful and thrilled they are when they collect the food. How amazing it is to see the real impact you are making.
I think one of the key reasons that I am motivated to volunteer regularly is to make friends. It's a great opportunity to meet new people, and this year I've met a lot of amazing people through volunteering. In terms of the impact that I've seen of the volunteering that I do, I volunteer in MFP, which is a food group, and seeing the impact on the area that we renovated was amazing to see, like the plot of land that we turned from just like bare ground into a flourishing garden of food was really great. But also we donate all our food to food banks, so it was amazing to see the impact that that had to help people that can't afford food and have less privilege than us.
I am a PASS reader, and PASS stands for Peer Assisted Study Scheme, and we basically are trained before to help first years and second years, just moving in and how to deal with basically everything, and not just related to academics but everything else as well, how to what to eat and what not to eat, what's the best buy in Manchester, and also how to go about mathematics, because I'm specifically in the mathematical side field as a PASS. So how to deal with studies and complex topics and maybe study techniques and a lot of other stuff.